Hello. Do you know what is the biggest mistake many riders make when it comes to riding gear? They believe that protective riding gear is only for long rides. But the fact is, daily commuting is as important as heading to Ladakh or doing a Goa run. Daily commuting exposes us to a lot of risks. We know the chaos in our cities, especially in Bangalore, the kind of indiscipline, the traffic, the chaos, and the dangers that we encounter every day. So, commuting should not be taken very lightly. Many riders buy good gear, quality safety gear, head to toe, but end up saving it only for long rides. And I understand why, because most of that gear is heavy, not very ventilated, and will look completely out of place when commuting. Understandable, fair enough. But I have a proposal for you. What I am wearing. There are gears that are suited for commuting that can be comfortable and also offer some protection. Let's run through that list quickly. To start with, the most obvious thing is the helmet. This is my commuting helmet. I use it daily. This is a Reise Moto, light, affordable, comfortable and safe. Jackets need to be ventilated, especially when we are commuting, highly ventilated. This Reise jacket from Reise has got 80% mesh. I think this is one of the maximum mesh coverage jackets that I have come across. It's also got elbow, shoulder and back inserts level 2, which is part of the jacket. The zippers in the right areas, velcros that can cinch down, reflective strips for nighttime safety, all built into the jacket, and it is lightweight, easy to wear, easy to take off. Astra gloves from Reise. Lightweight, ventilated, and the most important part is it's got hard knuckle protection and palm sliders. Tarmac friction is an area where many injuries are caused, road rashes. This has got the hard protection in the right places. And these are small enough to fit into the jacket pockets, so it doesn't need to be guarded separately wherever you're going to take the jacket off and place it. Inner wear or a base layer, the importance will be known only if you try wear one and see how it works. Most of us, including me, on most occasions wear a t-shirt, wear a jacket over it. In this hot summer weather, the t-shirt doesn't do the best job. I have tried a base layer and a t-shirt. Hold on, it sounds counterintuitive, adding up more layers in this heat, but believe me, a base layer, a jacket and with a t-shirt on the inside provides better comfort and cooling than just a t-shirt on the jacket. Try it out and I'm sure you'll come back and tell me that I was right. When it comes to jeans, regular jeans are good, but they are not really designed to withstand any kind of impact or abrasion. I am wearing Speedy motorcycle jeans. Ixon makes them, Acerbis also makes them. These are A-rated jeans, which means these are better than some of the riding pants one can buy in terms of abrasion resistance. They come with good knee protection, knee inserts, and they have pockets for hip inserts which we can buy separately and stick on. Stretch fabric, comfortable and looks very standard and very ordinary, does not stand out. Once I take the jacket off, I can mingle in the crowd, in the office or anywhere I go and will not stick out like a sore thumb. Shoes. Many of us wear sneakers, like I do too, like I'm doing today. My suggestion is check out the Hanley boots. Hanley has got a model called the Urbano. These are ankle boots made for urban commuting and touring. Good toe protection, ankle protection and heel protection, and I have worn it on several occasions through the day. Got to work and I had it on till late evening and there was hardly any discomfort. So with this kind of a kit, I am sure you can protect yourself for commuting. And more importantly, once you have the setup I just mentioned, it can not only serve your daily commuting, it is good enough for your weekend ride because there is no compromise. The gloves have hard knuckle protectors, the jacket has got level 2 elbow, shoulder and back armors, it's fully ventilated, the jeans are aerated with knee and hip inserts, so are the shoes, and of course the helmet. I suggest you make this investment for commuting so that you can be safe and comfortable. You can check out all these gears on risemoto.com, at the Reise Moto stores or partner stores across the country. Check it out, select your gears, make your commuting also safe. And let me know what you wear for commuting. Do you wear something like this, or you just wear jeans and a t-shirt and ride around? Till next time, ride safe.